Hey everybody, I hope you're doing well. Today I'm going to do a pour on a 14-inch octagonal canvas, and I'm trying out a new recipe. I forget who used it, but I thought I would give it a try. I had to adjust it just slightly because I didn't have the first ingredient that they used, which was Minwax Polycrylic gloss. I had Minwax Polyurethane One Coat, which is about the same thing. It's a little thicker, so I used this. So the recipe was 40% polyurethane, 40% Floetrol, 15% glue all, not washable glue, but glue all, and then 5% distilled water, which is what I have here in my bottle. So I had put this into a jug and mixed it all together with the recipe on it, and then used that, and I used 1 part paint to 3 parts pouring medium, and put it into all my cups, and then added more distilled water to get it to the perfect consistency of like honey pouring off your stick. You want it to just fall into the cup and be one steady stream. You don't want it drippy, and you don't want it thick like sour cream or peanut butter or whatever. I also have white, Artist Loft White, and Artist Loft Black Floetrol in my squeeze bottles. They're mixed 1-to-1 with Floetrol. Everything else is mixed with the new recipe. And then today I'm using Spot On Treadmill Lubricant, which usually I use OGX, but today I'm using Spot On. I used 1 drop per ounce of paint mixture. So I added it and stirred it in, and I've got maybe about 5 ounces of red paint. So I put about 5 drops of silicone, and you just stir it a few times, and that's all. You don't need to stir it a ton. Don't over stir, because then you're going to get smaller cells. So I'm going to do a flip cup, and it's going to be on, again, a 14-inch octagonal canvas. I'm going to zoom out just a bit. And so I want a good 8 ounces or more. This is a 12-ounce cup, so I'm going to fill it up pretty much to the top. And I want to, I'm going to put, I don't think I'm going to use much black, if any. I am going to use the white though. So I think I'll start with the metallic gold first. All right. I'll shoot 1 little shot of black in there, but I don't want much black, if any. So I think I used most of my colors pretty well there. So there's my octagonal canvas. Flip it over. I'm going to punch a few holes just to release the air. So I'm pretty used to using OGX instead of the silicone, so it's kind of a change of pace for me to use the Spot On Treadmill Lubricant because I haven't used it in a while as much. I'm not sure about the colors either. I should have left that yellow totally out. Let's see if I can get that yellow off there. I really like that violet color, but I'm not crazy about the yellow. But I like it overall. So this may be a canvas that I turn into a clock. I'm not sure. I've never done a canvas clock. I've always done wooden clocks. But I really was thinking this would lend itself, the shape would lend itself towards a neat clock. So we'll see about that. Okay. So it's got a little shimmer here and there from the metallic gold and bronze. So I hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, thanks a bunch. I really appreciate it. I would love for you to give me a thumbs up. Click on the bell on the bottom right for notifications when you want to find out when I'm posting a new video. Check out all the links below the video where it says show more on your laptop or the down arrow on your mobile device. And that will give you links to Amazon, my PayPal account, Patreon, my Facebook group if you'd like to come join us there. I have a large group of very encouraging, positive artists who are constantly sharing their work with us. And check out my Thinkific platform. I'm starting a new online classes that teach you how to paint with traditional acrylics and brushes for those of you that would like to learn how to paint traditional art. So check it out, and I will see you on the next video. You have a great day, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.